I retighten my hair every 5 weeks, and I promise it seems like the time goes so fast. So here I am doing my retightening. Usually I'm in front of the TV binge watching a favorite show, and I just go at it. I use no mirrors. I find that it's much easier for me to self-retighten with no mirrors. And yes, I am using our patent pending D.A.P tool, which is an advanced tool. It's much easier if you are a 3-point rotation. It can be done with the 4-point, but it's more difficult. But if you're a 3-point, you actually can use the D.A.P tool if you know what you're doing. Here I'm just demonstrating. I just feel. I go by feel, and yes, my arms are tired. Yeah, the burn is real, but hey, no pain, no gain. What they say, beauty is pain. That is true. This is very tiring. It's tedious, but I can get it crispy all by myself. And I'm almost done. I'm in the last section of my hair at this point and just working away. Self-retightening is not for the weak. And in case you were wondering, I typically can get my retightenings done in 4 to 6 hours if I go straight through.